Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. And in this video I'm gonna talk about a new series that we are starting on our channel, and the series is called Front-End Friday. In this series we will be making some front-end projects in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this is episode 1 of Front-End Friday. So today we are going to make a login page. Just a simple animated login page using HTML and CSS. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those signs. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air, for every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We didn't say a word too much. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, 'cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But we will, yeah, we're on the track. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. places. Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound